Remember, Petit 4 is a small bite-sized confectionery. It is indeed perfect for tea parties. Besides, you can make delicious homemade Petit 4's recipes made with cake mix at home. Plus, you can make these recipes for any occasion. You can also serve them for small get-togethers. For all those reasons, feel free to make these recipes at home. And as always, serve and impress your guests. What you will need in making this recipe. Ingredients. For the cake. 1 recipe of your favorite cake mix. 1½ cups of jam frosting or any filling of your choice. For the vanilla Petit 4 icing. 2 pounds of powdered sugar. ½ cup of light corn syrup. 1½ tablespoons of vanilla extract. Step by step. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, line the jelly roll pan with parchment paper. Doing so, cover the inside bottom of your pan. After that, spray your parchment paper with a non-stick cooking spray. Step 2. Prepare the cake mix. Afterward, spread your cake batter into your pan evenly. Bake for about 19 to 22 minutes. Likewise, you can bake till your cake cooks thoroughly. When your cake finishes baking, remove the cake from the oven. After that, allow your cake to cool for about 10 minutes. Then, remove it from the pan to cool completely and remove the parchment paper. Step 3. You can prepare the icing while your cake is cooling. Then, combine all your icing ingredients in a medium-sized glass bowl. Afterward, heat it over a double boiler until the icing becomes smooth and warm. Step 4. Cut your cake in half using a large serrated knife. Likewise, you can use a cake slicer. Then, remove the top half of your cake. Also, fill the bottom layer with your desired jam or frosting. Cut your cake into 1-inch squares using a sharp knife. Then, arrange your cake slices into your cooling wire rack. After that, place the rack into a rimmed pan. Step 5. Pour your icing over the cake slices to coat the tops and sides. Also, if the icing starts to dry, transfer each slice from the rack. Finally, decorate your cake slices with icing. Then, you can drizzle ganache over the top of your Petit 4s if you desire. Almond Petit 4's recipe. Ingredients for the cake. 1 pack of white cake mix. Water. Vegetable oil. Egg whites. 1 tablespoon of almond extract. For the almond glaze. 1 bag of powdered sugar. ½ cup of water. ½ cup of corn syrup. 2 teaspoons of almond extract. 1 to 3 teaspoons of hot water. Step by step. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. After that, spray the inside bottom of your mini muffin pan. Then, dust it with flour. Prepare the cake batter according to the cake mix instructions. However, be sure to add 1 teaspoon of almond extract with the water to the cake batter. Step 2. Divide the cake batter evenly among the muffin cups. In addition to that, fill the muffin cups halfway. Bake the cake batter for about 10 to 15 minutes. Likewise, you can bake it until it cooks thoroughly. Then, make sure to allow the cake to cool down for approximately 5 minutes. Afterward, transfer the cakes to a cooling wire rack to cool completely for about 30 minutes. Step 3. Place your cooling wire rack on a cookie sheet lined with waxed paper to catch the drips. In a saucepan, combine your powdered sugar, ½ cup of water, corn syrup, and 2 teaspoons of almond extract. After that, put over low heat and frequently stir until the sugar dissolves. Then, please remove it from the heat. Also, stir in hot water and 1 teaspoon at a time until your glaze is fluid and pourable. Step 4. Arrange your mini cakes on the rack. And be sure to pour about 1 tablespoon of glaze over each cake. Also, keep in mind that it allows the glaze to coat the sides. Then, make sure to let it sit for about 15 minutes. Step 5. Lastly, you can garnish your Petit fours with edible flowers just before serving. Likewise, you can drizzle some chocolate on top. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.